You can learn to use LibreOffice Writer in 1 minute. LibreOffice is a free and open source alternative office software suite package that we offer with our computers to schools and nonprofits. Writer is the typical word processing software, Libre's answer to Microsoft's Word. If the overall layout looks unfamiliar at first, there should be a layout option to make you feel more at home through the View menu under User Interface. Along here, you can change the font and text style of your document and use basic formatting styles such as bullet points and numbered lists. To get a bit fancier with your formatting, head up to the Insert menu where you can add page numbers, a header and footer, a table of contents, other types of headings, and even media items like images or videos. You'll find that your usual keyboard shortcuts are supported, like Ctrl-A to select all, Ctrl-Z for undo, Ctrl-P for print, just to name a few. And here's a few word processing specific shortcuts that we really like. You can hold Ctrl while using your left and right arrows to move your cursor word by word rather than one letter at a time. You can use Ctrl-Enter to add a manual page break, and then highlight a section, hold Ctrl and press any number from 0 to 5 to apply one of your customizable paragraph styles. And there you have it, the basics in Writer. Of course, the best way to learn new software is to play around with it, and LibreOffice is completely free, so give it a try and leave us a comment if you've tried any of these tips.